friends. I am at your service with the latest video of Paramour Forex Trader Group. In this video, I am going to briefly introduce the services of this team to you. If you have just joined our channel, please click the subscribe button and benefit from our free services. We have many services for channel members. Well, let's go. For services of our group regarding the Forex market with more than 20 years of experience include several sections. 1. Safe account management service. 2. Copy trading. 3. Daily free accurate signals. For Forex Robot. Don't worry, I will explain each one. Account management services. A managed Forex account is a type of currency trading account in which a professional money manager makes trades and transactions on a client's behalf for a fee. Are you a beginner Forex trader? Do you want to learn how the Forex market works so you can place trades for yourself and make consistent profit? Are you tired of constantly taking signals that don't work? Would you love to learn the secrets that these big Forex gurus teach in their courses? We offer quality account management service for those interested in Forex and crypto trading but don't know how to trade or don't have time to trade by themselves. Yes, we have an account management plan. We manage your trades and account and then we take just 50% of the profits we make for you. That is fantastic, right? It is as easy as that. We have valuable experiences which help us get a good strategy and signal to make sure your profit is guaranteed. No need to tension about your equity. No risk, no loss. Safe work with 0% drawdown. Powerful scalping strategy. Daily 5 to 10 trades with high accuracy. Day-by-day account growing. One-time investment lifetime profit. Sincerely and professional fund manager. Invest with us and change your life. Our second service is Forex copy trading. It's all in the name. Copy trading allows you to directly copy the positions taken by another trader. You decide the amount you wish to invest and simply copy everything they do automatically in real time. When that trader makes a trade, your account will make that same trade as well. You do not need to have any input on the trades, and you get the identical returns on each trade as your chosen trader. You want to earn money on the Forex market, but do not want to delve into the intricacies of financial operations, or simply do not have sufficient experience to trade by yourself. Paramour Forex Copy Trading Service offers you an opportunity to work with experienced traders and copy their orders to your account. We connect your account to a parent account and every trade is copied to your account. Copy trading is one of the easiest ways to use another trader's expert knowledge. It also means that you don't lose any control over the outcome. You still have the ability to close trades and open new ones when you want. But by copying another trader, you could potentially make money based on their skills. In fact, no advanced knowledge of the financial market is required to take part. You choose the lot. For each of these variants, we've created the simplest and most favorable conditions of operation and cooperation. All you have to do is to choose which variant is the best for you. Our next service is technical and fundamental signals and analysis, which are extracted by our professional team and published for free on Instagram posts. Forex trading signals alone are not enough. Learn how to read and forecast the markets. Discover how to find trade opportunities and manage risk. Make smarter decisions with experienced market analysts' guidance. We publish 20 to 50 free signals a day with high accuracy. Be sure to become a member of our Instagram page. Forex signals are a perfect way of getting market movement tips online. Follow the sentiment of traders in real time. We offer you the best trading signals from professionals. They are available for you to use absolutely free. Daily signals in English for 12 currency pairs plus gold and West Texas Intermediate or WTI and 10 trading tools. Signals update in real time. Signals for market entry and exit. Technical analysis for each pairs that is a trading discipline employed to evaluate investments and identify trading opportunities in price trends and patterns seen on charts. Technical analysts believe past trading activity and price changes of a security can be valuable indicators of the security's future price movements. Fundamental analysis for all pairs that is a valuation tool used by stock analysts to determine whether a stock is over or undervalued by the market. It considers the economic, market, industry, and sector conditions a company operates in and its financial performance. And finally, our robots. A forex trading bot or robot is the colloquial term for a software program based on foreign exchange market price movements that signals traders to buy or sell a currency pair at a given point in time. We have designed many smart forex robots. You can test their demo version and then rent it. Now you may ask, why should I use your robots? I tell you because all of our forex trading robots are automated software programs used to generate trading signals in FX markets. Also, our robots are designed to remove the psychological element of trading, which can be detrimental. While forex trading robots advertise the prospect of profits, it is important to remember that they are limited in their capabilities and not foolproof. You can watch their videos on our YouTube channel. Finally, I recommend that if you are active in the Forex market, be sure to become a member of our channel on YouTube and Instagram and benefit from our valuable and free services. We do not have any ads. Our customers are our advertising. Bye until the next video.